Hello, good afternoon. My name is Joshua.
My name is Edo.
Today, we would like to practice one of the tools and techniques of Plan Procurement Management.
Before we do that, we'll also explain a little bit about the tools and techniques of plan procurement management.
There are five tools and techniques that we will learn today.
The first one is expert judgment. Expertise should be considered from individuals or group with specialized knowledge or training in the following topics. Uh, Procurement and purchasing, contract types and contract documents, and regulation and compliance topic.
The second one is data gathering. A data gathering technique that can be used for this process includes, but are not limited to, market research. Market research includes examination of industry and specific seller capabilities.
The third one is data analysis. Data analysis techniques that can be used for this process includes, but are not limited to, make or buy analysis. A make or buy analysis is used to determine whether work or deliverables can best be accomplished by the project team or should be purchased from outside source.
The fourth one is source selection analysis. It is a good practice to include the evaluation method in the procurement documents so bidders know how they will be evaluated. Commonly used selection methods include the following: list costs, qualifications only, quality based or highest technical proposal score, quality and cost base, sole source, and fixed budget.
And the last one is meetings. By collaborating with potential bidders, the organizational purchase. And the last one is meeting. By collaborating with potential bidders, the organization purchasing the material or this service may benefit while the seller can influence a mutually beneficial approach or product. Meetings can be used to determine the strategy for managing and monitoring the procurement.
That concludes our brief explanation of the tools and techniques. Now we will be practicing data gathering in the form of market research as one of the tools and techniques in plant procurement management.
I will be practicing as a researcher.
And I will be the project manager.
Without further ado, let's go.
Hello Edo, I have assigned you to do the market research regarding our project last week. Have you finished it?
As a matter of fact, I just finished it today.
Good. Let's see it then.
The document has been set.
Okay. Just a minute, I'll open it.
While you are reading the document, I am gonna explain the research outcomes for you.
Oh, thank you. Please explain away.
So I have looked for over 30 vendors from the internet. Some of them are small vendors and some of them are developed by enterprises. While researching, I have found three vendors that are both fitting for our project requirements and having reasonable cost of supply.
Can you elaborate?
The first vendor is the cheapest one. The applications they sell offers basic functions which are good enough for the project, but the developer is a new one. So the long-term support will be a vendor. The second vendor has basically the same feature as the first vendor, but these vendors have quite a reputation on their name, so we can trust their word. But the cost is more expensive than the first vendor. The third vendor offers the best specification of the applications with good qualities and a warranty for 5 years in case of any defects. But cost exceeds the second vendor and nearly doubles first vendor.
Can the three of them be afforded with our budget now?
All of them can be afforded, and in my opinion, the cost is quite reasonable when you factor in the application's quality.
How about the application's delivery time? Is it the same as all of the three of them?
Um, for the delivery time, all of them have a waiting list. The longest one is the first vendor, maybe because of the low cost.
What is the fastest delivery time out of the three vendors?
The shortest one, which is the second vendor, needs approximately 3 months for full implementation, while the longest one takes a little bit above 4 months.
Oh, that's an awfully long time. I don't know if we can afford that.
I crunched some numbers, sir, and my calculations suggest that even the longest waiting time can be done for our project, but it leaves very little slack compared to the others.
How about if we develop the apps ourselves using our own workforce? Can you predict how long it will take and how much it will cost?
I also think the same, sir, and ask our programmer how much it will be to make the application similar to that of the vendors. And they said it will take 2 months for it to work, but it will only have the basic function, the first vendor, and it costs as much as the second vendor.
Hmm, I think making it ourselves is the best decision in the moment. Because we still have some problems in other areas of the project, so we need as much slack as we can. The cost being the same as the second vendor is the deciding factor for me.
Yes, sir. In my opinion, that is the best route to take to.
Okay then, please notify the programmer to get on with it as fast as they can. I will be notifying the stakeholder about this decision and hope that they'll agree. Thank you for the report.
You're welcome and good afternoon, sir.
Thank you for watching our short video. I hope that it will be informative for anyone who watches it.
Thank you and goodbye.